All right. Here we go. So today we're going to teach you how to make your Google Doc aesthetically pleasing. All right. So we all know how to write in Google Doc, right? Essays and questions and this and that, right? So that's like the basic level. Let's take it up a notch. Let's bring it to the second tier, right? Second tier status. Let's make something that looks like this, right? This can be made in Google Docs. Notice it's not just words. It's like tables, pictures, and even a little shape in there, right? Or something like this. Right? You can do this too. This is not, this is not something that you can't do. You can do it. It just takes a little time. I'm going to show you how to do it. Okay. So this is for the people that want to go above and beyond. Just making a simple little Google Doc, right? Like a one pager or like a review sheet. Just make it look snazzy. You know what I mean? Like it's all about the snazziness. All right. So first things first, right? I'm going to teach you how to do tables, pictures, and shapes. Nothing crazy, right? Okay. If you want to know more, obviously just book me or email me. Okay. First things first. Let's do a simple little header up here, right? So this Google Doc is going to be about a topic, a description of that topic, and a link to a video for that topic. So let's do this. I want to put a nice little header up top, right? I want to make a little shape. So here's what we do. First thing you can do is go to Insert, Drawing, okay, and hit New. Now this brings you to your Google Drawings template without having to leave the Google Docs, okay? Let's just make a simple shape. Click on Shapes, and you go, let's make this one, okay? We're going to go like this. And then I want to make it like, I don't know, yellow. And I want to make the border. That's not a good color. Let's make border black. And let's make it a little bit thicker, okay? Then I want to take a text box. I want to go like this. And I want to just write the word in topics to look up, okay? And then obviously you can make this go in the middle, okay? You can make this bold, and then you can make it bigger, right? And then you just hit save and close. Boom, there it is. And then right here, you just hit this right here, break text. And then just move it over anywhere you want, all right? That's the first thing, make a nice little header, okay? Now, let's do a picture, all right? Because now we want to do a picture that's in the Google Drawing. Notice, if I click on it, right, I can move this over a little bit. Now let's add a picture, right? We're going to search, or you can do it from your own Google Drive. Let's add a picture of, let's just do computers, all right? Because that's what it's going to be about, okay? And oh, I like this one. That's great. So click on that one, okay? We're going to make this a little bit smaller, probably a little smaller than that. And we're just going to put it up here, okay? And save and close. There it is, right? So you don't have to, you can do it all at once, or you could add and go. That's why I exited out and went back in. So you could always edit this by clicking on it, okay? And hitting edit. All right, moving on. Let's go and make a table. A table is really simple to make. You just go to Insert, Table. Now notice it's a grid system over here on the right here. So initially you can start off however many grids you want, okay? You go up to 20 by 20, I believe, or yeah. Yep. So I just want to make a 3 by 3. Tell you why in a minute, right? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to first decide what I want to write. I want to write the topic, then I want to write description, then I want to write link. There's a reason I left this one blank up here, because you can always merge cells to create a topic header, right? You can create the topic header up here, or you can merge cells here to make a header. All you have to do is left click in the first cell, highlight it, and then where is it? Oops, sorry. Right click, and then hit merge cells, okay? Now what that does is it creates one cell so you can write anything you want, right? links to video tutorials, okay? And then just like any other Google Doc, you can make it go in the middle. You can highlight it, make it bold, let's make it bigger, okay? And now what I want to show you is how you can, in the actual table right here, you can color the background. So you just left click in the table, right? Click up to paint, and let's make it green, okay? And then you could actually make the border too a little bit thicker, okay? Now, down here, okay, I have all my topics. Now below it, I'm gonna add a row. There's a reason I left it blank, because just because you start off, right, making it a certain way doesn't mean you can't add to it. So you just left click in any one of the boxes, right? Then you right click and hit insert row below. Notice you can do above, below, and you could even insert columns left and right. So let's just insert a row below, okay? And now let's highlight all this, go up to our border width. Let's make it a little bit thicker, okay? There we go. Now let's take all of these, go up to our align, make it in the middle, make this bold, and then go over to the paint can and let's make it orange. I don't know, right? That's right. See how I'm just like editing as I go? Okay. And then obviously you put the topic here. Let's do bookmarks. How to create an in-doc link. All right. And then here, okay, I'm going to go to my video. I'm going to copy the actual URL address. And I'm going to go over here. I'm not going to just paste it. I'm going to right click and click link. Right? So down here is where I paste the link. So I'm going to right click and hit paste. Up here, I'm going to write what I want it to say for them to click on. So I'm just going to put like click here. And then I hit enter. And there it is. So when they click on there, they go to the site. Right? Now I want to make this, let's say I want to make this aligned in the middle. There you go. Okay. And the last thing I want to show you, right, is how to make your background of your Google Doc a different color, right? So you're going to go up to File, Page Setup, okay? And this is where you can do a lot of different things, right? Okay, so if you want to create more surface area on your Google Doc, that's where you go to margins, right? You can make them 0.3, 0.3, all right? Top and bottom smaller, right? You can make the paper size different. You can make it a landscape or a portrait, right? And you could also change the page color. Let's make it blue. And then you just hit OK. And there it is, right? So these are very, simple things you could do to just beautify, right? A lot of times we want to make things visually appealing, all right? That's why I do it. Any questions, contact me or Melissa.